copyright. Oh my god. Okay. Are you freaking kidding me? A plane? Oh my god. No, don't leave me. Good morning, guys. Welcome to another Vlogtowski. First of all, I just want to say there's like a couple things that are on my mind. First of all, thank you guys so much for just loving my past few vlogs. I know I say that in pretty much every vlog, but like it means a lot. So thank you guys for all your comments, all of your good positive vibes, good energy. And I'm gonna put my favorite comment of my last vlog, which was my Big Bear vlog, right here. So I don't know who you are yet, but thank you for your comment. I have not taken my hair out of these braids in probably like 3 days now. And I mean, they're holding up. Like, they're not that bad. Let me give you like a little life update. Got back from Big Bear like 2 days ago. Yesterday, I went to a premiere for a new show on Freeform called Good Trouble, and it exceeded my expectations completely. It's actually a really good show. And then I pretty much just hung around downtown LA yesterday because that's where the premiere was. I've kind of been like training my sister to be my new like vlog filmer and just like filmer in general. So yesterday in downtown, we took our vlog camera and we just like kind of messed around and like, I don't know, filmed stuff that we thought was cool. So I'll put some of the footage right here. It just made me realize that like LA is actually really freaking cool. There's some cool spots in downtown that are like vibey and like kind of New Yorky that I just didn't realize you could like find literally 20 minutes away from my house. So I think we're gonna go back to LA sometime this week. I thought it'd be a really cool idea to do a LA travel vlog because I live here and there's still so many things I haven't done yet. So yeah, let me know if you guys would want that. I want to stop calling you guys because like most of you guys are girls and you know, we're gender neutral. So give me a name to call you guys in the comments down below. Get creative. Think of something to call think of something to call you guys because I don't really want to say like, what's up guys, you know? I don't know. But yeah, someone brought that up to me in the comments and I was like, I guess that's right. Like, I don't really want to say guys. I want to say something fun like sisters, but I'm not James Charles. Kind of, oh my god, I thought Hanali was like doing push-ups outside. But yeah, so basically where the day is going to take us is I'm going to hang around the house for probably like 2 or 3 more hours, get some work done. I might take a bath because I got this like bath caddy that you guys saw in my last vlog. So yeah, I've been like obsessed with taking baths. And then tonight I'm going to a Lakers game with Bree. So I thought that I would vlog that because we have VIP tickets and that should be really cool. But yeah, I guess this vlog might be called like a week in LA. I don't know, like a week back at home. I don't know. I'm gonna try to do a bunch of fun stuff in LA this week and make it a cool vlog. So yeah, some of my vlogs are gonna be like really cinematic. Some of my vlogs just might be like daily vlogs or like weekly vlogs like this vlog. What I wanted to ask you guys is what should I differentiate the cinematic vlogs versus like the daily-ish vlogs like this? Because this vlog I don't think is gonna be that cinematic. But yeah, anyway, I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyway, I'm gonna go make some coffee.
We got those candles burning on the dance floor.
I'm trying to burn all my Christmas candles because like,
it's not Christmas.
We've got our incense burning.
We've got our vegan yogurt that I left out for way too long and probably should throw
away now. We're out here.
Out here at the Lakers.
Foul number 6.
Good morning, guys. It's a new day. Yesterday was the Lakers game. Today I'm wearing a really cute outfit because I have a couple meetings today all around like West Hollywood area. So my outfit, because it's real cute. So I'm wearing some shorts from The Naked Tiger. And then my shirt is from For Love and Lemons. And then this little jacket thing is from Free People. And then I'm wearing some boots from, I believe these are Chinese Laundry. And then I just put my hair in a little half up, half down thing. I'm wearing my typical necklaces. And I'm going to add some hoops. Ow. Yes. Oh yes. Oh yes, that is the look. Outfit today I feel like is like sexy adventure girl. I don't know, I get like a weird like hiking vibe from my outfit. I'm going to make some iced coffee for the road. Ow. You know when you wear earrings for like too long and then all of a sudden it hurts to like put your earring hole thing in? Ow. Ow. Ah. I don't need coffee to function. I just like it to function, if that makes sense. But I don't need it. I don't have like a coffee addiction like some people do. I don't know, something about iced coffee in the morning just like makes me happy. For those of you wondering, I French press my coffee. I use bulletproof coffee and then, yeah, I basically just put it in the refrigerator and it gets nice and cold. But yeah, today I just have some meetings, so it might be pretty boring. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, hey guys, I'm at my first meeting right now and I just want to talk for a second about something. When hopefully brands will maybe see this vlog. I want to talk about PR packaging because first of all, like I'm grateful for getting all of this stuff. I mean, everything's really cool, but I feel like brands need to realize that their packaging is a little bit freaking much, okay? Like, let me just give you a little tour of the packaging we have going on.
We've got these boxes. We've got all of this, all of this.
There's more.
There's more. But wait, there's more. We're currently undoing this giant box, all with little things inside of it, and they have like one lipstick in it. Here's the stuff that we're throwing out. All of the boxes, the packaging, the wrapping, and that is what was in all of these boxes. We got this. This is
Please calm down, brands. I would really appreciate that. Thank you. Okay, that's the end of my TED Talk. Thanks for coming. Good morning, guys. It is another day in California, and of freaking course, the literal 1 week that I wanted to stay home and get a bunch of cool like LA footage and like Southern California footage. It's gonna rain for 6 days straight. I braided my hair yesterday because I ran out of my curly hair shampoo, so I used Diva Curl. And not my shampoo, my conditioner. I ran out of my curly hair conditioner. And just in general, I don't have any conditioner in my house. I only have shampoo. So I think I'm gonna try to go to the mall today and get some new shampoo. I think Diva Curl is only sold in Sephora where I live. But yeah, I've been like kind of putting that off for way too long. I've been telling myself I was gonna wash my hair literally days ago, but because I don't have my conditioner, I'm putting it off. But I don't know, maybe today I'll go do it. My mom wanted to hang out with me today, but I feel like I want to, but like, I really want to go meet up with Riley and Elaine. They're in downtown LA right now, figuring their lives out, and I don't know, I really want to go with them. I don't know, maybe I can go to the mall with my mom like later tonight. I'm wearing today a bodysuit from Are You Am I, some shorts from the thrift store. I'm about to go do my makeup, and yeah, we'll see where the day takes us. It is not nice outside, guys. Okay, it looks really nice out, but I promise that's a fake, that's a facade. Ooh, vibes. Oh. If you guys haven't noticed lately, I have been kind of like going outside my comfort zone in how I film things. I never film this way. Like I never really filmed this way. I've been watching this guy called Tim to the Wild. I don't know, I found his video, someone showed me like maybe like 2 weeks ago. His videos are just a vibe, so I'm gonna put him in the link down below. But films a lot of his stuff like shadowy. So yeah, I'm gonna go do my makeup, I'm gonna feed Hanalei, get cute, and see where the day takes us. Hey guys, okay, so I'm currently in the parking lot at USC in the Village. I'm meeting up with Riley and Elaine, and I literally just had the biggest Queen dance fest. Okay, if you guys have seen Bohemian Rhapsody, it's amazing, and we can all agree that that movie should win a freaking Oscar, okay? Now I cry every time I listen to Queen. Okay. All I've had today to eat is a cup of black coffee, and it's 2 p.m. So it's time to get some food. I'm getting hangry. Hey guys, so I'm back in college.
Yeah.
What's up?
College life.
Oh, I miss college.
Me too.
Just Elaine and I being savages over
Good old
in the
days.
loft house.
You guys are welcome to come visit me
Good
anytime.
times.
Yeah, we're here. We're at USC. I have my little
village.
backpack. I have my laptop, and I feel like I'm back in school. It's pretty nice. I like
This
this.
is where I hang out
Comes
every
back
day.
to college.
I would go
You
here.
should come for a day and just like
Oh,
my
you should
classes.
totally come
I
to the
They're in
should.
like movie theaters.
Oh, we got our girl Hecuba. Hecuba.
Every day is a wayfinder.
Hi, Hecuba. Like, guys, look at how cute this is. Like, look at Riley's college.
Yeah.
Where does this is?
Wow.
We're like sit and edit during the day.
Wow.
Oh, we edited for like 5 hours, and
You're productive for
have a
once.
headache.
I feel like I got nothing done. Because my laptop was like denying all of my photos, so I had to like re-export
But
them.
you rediscovered photos though.
Yeah, it was
That's good.
good. Yeah, I'm gonna go home and edit a bunch of travel photos that I've never posted before because
They're
I feel
prime.
inspired.
And we're gonna work on presets.
Yes, I'm gonna go back home, go with my mom to like the mall maybe if it's still open. I have to get my freaking conditioner. I haven't washed my hair in like 2 weeks.
Gotta get that.
Gotta get. Oh, they got a Target here.
Yeah, they have everything.
That is so
literally everything. They have
nice.
so much
Oh,
stuff.
look at the sunset.
We're at Cost Plus World Market. We're getting some home stuff. Well, hopefully we can find some cool stuff. We went to the mall and I got some errands done. I had to pick up, as you guys know, I had to pick up my shampoo or my conditioner, and I also had to pick up some lip stuff, and I got some bath bombs and face masks. So now we're here and everything's so cute. So cute. They're so tiny. Now we are across the street at Home Goods. It's time to shop.
Hello.
One of us has to change.
Don't get cold.
Like a mean.
What do you
Like a mean girls. She looks like she's gonna like bully me. She looks like she's gonna kick me in those shoes too.
Step boots.
Step came through dripping.
This sparkles.
That's right. Let's roll out.
Roll out Autobots.
Yeah, like that. Exactly. That's what I want. That's the one I want. That's the look I'm looking for. Yeah, the thinker.
Leo, in her most exalted self, rules with an open heart, teaching those around her the true meaning of compassion.
Why does she need a heart? She doesn't care about anybody but her.
Hey! She loves freely and appreciates everyone she comes in contact with for their unique gifts. This is true. Leo can spot talent a mile away, and she helps those around her to be seen for the assets they bring to the collective at large.
Uranus and Aquarius.
Uranus.
On this eclipse, we have the opportunity to also shed the lower vibrations of Cancer and Capricorn
What?
and enter the higher vibrations of Leo and Aquarius. Yeah, I vibrate so high.
Well, I'm a negative Nance, so like I get it.
Where are you? Are you?
I'm a Cancer.
Oh, Cancer, yeah. Thanks, Spirit Daughter. Love you.
Thanks, guys.
Oh my god, I keep wanting to say it's another day of Vlogmas. It's always Vlogmas. It's just always Vlogmas. My channel just comes to youtube.com/Vlogmas. Hey Vlogmas. We're going to the Melrose Trading Post. We're gonna go thrift shopping today, and Riley's here.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah.
We were gonna go to the Rose Bowl flea market, but then my mom slept in.
I slept in too.
Well, Riley slept in too. So now
We're in this together, are we, Riley?
That's kind of cute. That's pretty cute. Ooh. Ooh, they got nice little cactuses too. So what's everyone looking for?
I'm looking for some.
I know.
What?
I want a jean jacket with
Dream
the white
catcher.
fur.
Oh, I want one of those.
A dream catcher.
Oh yeah.
I'm looking for like necklaces.
Yeah, I was just gonna say like jewelry stuff.
Oh no, we stepped in dog poo.
Ew.
Ew.
I felt my whole body like slide from that.
Ew. Can we just for a second?
Obey.
This cop car has an Uber sign on it.
Can we take like body pics here?
Oh,
the back?
Riley got arrested. Riley.
Oh, oh.
You see the
I'm
back?
falling.
Look, you see the back? There's a
Obey
plate.
and survive.
You gotta screenshot that.
Screenshot.
Distract.
Right.
Times level shit, you know, I get deeper.
Oh no. Oh no.
You like it?
Wolf, I feel like a wolf is really my spirit animal. My true self is like is a wolf because I'm loyal, I'm faithful, and I'm not only loyal and faithful, but I'm very strong and I'm very like I'm a survivor.
Aww.
So like.
Okay, so I just got back from Whole Foods and I'm gonna do like a Whole Foods haul of what I got when I was grocery shopping. Cause yeah, like iced coffee, this is the first time I've tried this, so I don't know if it's good or not. Vegan ricotta cheese. I usually get the Kite Hill, but they're out of it, so I actually don't know how this one tastes. Let's try it out. Ew!
Ew.
What the heck?
What?
This is not.
My cheese haul.
Hey guys, cheese all here.
That's not ricotta?
Oh my god.
Ew. Doesn't taste like ricotta? That would be enough. Look at her face.
I don't want that. Hey guys, it's Ava,
Yes,
and
welcome
today we're
back to my
filming
cheese
cheese
haul.
haul. And it's
Doesn't look like it's going that good.
That's so disgusting.
That's never a look you want to have after eating cheese.
It's vegan cheese. This is disgusting. This is so gross. That just ruined my night. I need to taste something good. I got pizza
Vegan
dough
cheese
to make
got
pizza.
wrong.
Pizza sauce. Mine, just eat it. Doesn't it taste like fumes? Doesn't it taste like disgusting?
Oh, now my.
Tastes like
And
soap.
it actually looks, it does. It tastes like
Yeah.
gross, like soap dipped in a
Wait.
butthole. Almond milk creamer.
Wait, I still taste it.
Come taste it.
No.
It's on my
Coconut
finger.
pasta sauce. These are the best vegan hamburgers. Gotta get the wine. Tea. I got ginger tea and breathe deep. Kale, lemons, bananas,
No celery?
no celery and rosé. Avocados, tomatoes and lemon, beans, garlic and an onion, and grain bread. And that's my haul. Bye. Oh no!